Rising star Tory MP under fire for controversial Deport legal migrants comment. A rising star within the Tory party, seen as a potential future leader, has sparked intense debate with her call for the deportation of legally settled families to achieve a more culturally coherent UK. Katie Lam's remarks have been widely condemned as deeply concerning and unpatriotic. In an interview with the Sunday Times, Lam stated, "There are many individuals in this country who entered legally but shouldn't have been allowed to do so. They need to return home. This will result in a group of people who are mostly, but not entirely, culturally aligned with the UK." Her comments have drawn sharp criticism from across the political spectrum. Labour MP Richard Quigley remarked, "This exemplifies the Tory party's decline. Being labelled a rising star in the current Tory party is akin to saying you've added wing mirrors to the space shuttle." Zack Polanski, leader of the Green Party, echoed this sentiment, saying, "If we're discussing coherence, what does that even mean? Who decides what's culturally aligned? And how can they claim to be conservatives when they advocate for changing the rules once someone has established their home?" Polanski further criticized Lam's stance. Nigel Farage's policies are similar. Scrapping indefinite leave to remain would put tens of thousands at risk of deportation. The Labour government's plan to reform ILR is more reasonable, making it available only to those who've lived in the UK for 10 years and contributed to society. Rachel Maskell, another Labour MP, criticized Lam's approach, stating, "The Tories' inability to govern and their divisive policies threaten the economy and our communities. People granted the right to stay in the UK should be recognized for their contributions and properly integrated into our society." Sir Ed Davey, leader of the Liberal Democrats, addressed Lam's comments in a letter to Kemi Badenoch, calling them deeply concerning and unpatriotic. He urged Badenoch to clarify if the party supports Lam's views, asking who the party believes shouldn't have been allowed to enter the UK legally. Davey questioned the implications of Lam's statement. What does a mostly but not entirely culturally coherent group mean? And how would this be defined in the Conservative Party's immigration rules? The controversy highlights the ongoing debate on immigration and the challenges of balancing cultural coherence with the rights of legal residents.